Hi guys, welcome back to CPR Scalper. So today we'll discuss on what is CPR because I have named my YouTube channel CPR Scalper. So this is my favorite indicator, I would say, because I don't follow any indicator in trading except this particular indicator. Okay, this is a CPR is a leading indicator. That means it tells the behavior before the market opens. Okay, so tomorrow's CPR can be seen today itself. So but like moving averages, RSIs, they are all lagging indicators. Once price comes, then it follows the price. There is a lagging indicator which gives information lately. Okay, if price is moving upside means once price has moved up, then only that indicator will move. Whereas the CPR indicator, it is a leading indicator. That means this indicator will be plotted on our chart before the market opens. Okay, because this has some formula to calculate and it can be plotted on our chart before market opens. That's the advantage of CPR indicator. Okay, it's a price action based indicator because it deals with opening price, closing price, and high low. Okay, so that's why it is a price action indicator. CPR means central pivot range. The expansion for CPR is central pivot range. So having this indicator on your chart will give an edge in day trading, intraday trading. Okay. So I've been following this indicator for the last 3 years. So I'm getting good profits with this indicator. So I thought I'll share about this indicator because in India a lot of people they don't use this CPR indicator. So this about this CPR indicator, I have this CPR indicator I have read in a book called Pivot Boss, Secrets of Pivot Boss, which is written by Frank Ochoa. Okay, so in that he has mentioned very clearly about CPR indicator, what is the significance of CPR indicator, and what signifies, like if it is a narrow CPR, wide CPR, like inside CPR, outside CPR. There are different kinds of patterns it has. So based on which we can decide, we can predict the trend of the day, trend of the market actually on that particular trading day. What could be the trend like before market opens, we can predict it. So let's not waste our time. Let's get into our uh, explanation. Okay, let's see how it uh, looks like. Okay, so CPR indicator will be looking like this. There will be three lines. This is top CPR. This is bottom CPR. This is middle pivot line. Okay, these three are pivot lines only. This is a pivot range basically. Okay, a top TC and then BC and P. Okay, so these are purely calculated on price, closing price, opening price, and all. Okay, there is one formula. If you want, I can share that in the description. You can check it. Okay. So let's quickly check the significance and the patterns, how it frames now. So white CPR, there can be there are 2 days of the market. One is white CPR and another is narrow CPR. If the three lines are close to each other, then narrow CPR. If the three lines are wider, then it is a wide CPR. There will be one more kind of CPR where a moderate CPR will be, I would say, average CPR. Okay, these two a combination basically. Okay, narrow CPR plus average CPR, it occurs in the market. Some days narrow, some days average, some days wide CPR. Okay. Yeah. So always wide CPR days. Wide means there will be almost above 150 or 200 points gap between top and bottom in Bank Nifty, especially in Bank Nifty. If you see more than 200 points gap is called a wide CPR. Narrow CPR means less than 100 points or less than 100 points. Average CPR means between 150 points. Okay, 100 to 150 points is called average CPR. Okay, average CPR and narrow CPR will act almost similar, and wide CPR will have a different behavior. Okay, So white CPR, what it does is, if there is a white CPR like this on the particular day, market will be like a sideways day. Okay, it will be a typical sideways day. Price will be lower type. It will goes up and down like this. It will be in a range manner. If it is very wide, if it is a narrow, the price can come down like this, or price can go up like this. These are trending days. These are called trending days. Price starts at one place, and evening session it will close at different place. There will be huge gap between opening price and closing price. That's called a trending day. So we can expect a trending day on narrow CPR days and average CPR days, and wider CPR days we can expect a sideways days where price will not move. It will stuck inside a range. Okay, so having this on our chart, it will give an edge. Actually, this is central point to the price movement. Basically, if price is going away from this CPR, it has a tendency to attract the price. I mean, like, if the market is going down like this, so immediately the buyers will push the price near to the CPR. Okay, same thing. In a narrow CPR, it tries to go away from the CPR. Narrow CPR, it tries to go away from the CPR levels, but in wide CPRs, it will try to come near the wide CPR and trade near CPR ranges. CPR and PDL, CPR and PDH. PDH means previous day high, previous day low. So it will be ranging between previous day high and CPR. It will be ranging between previous day low and CPR. Normally, if it is a very wide CPR, it will come and attach to the CPR. So CPR gives a strong support and resistance in these kind of days. Wide CPR means price will be very near to this. Narrow CPR means price will be pushed away from the CPR. That means that's when we get a trending days basically. Okay. So that is one scenario. We get to know the trend of the market by having a CPR on our chart. That's an advantage for option buyers and option sellers both. Okay. And there is one more pattern called, if previous day is wide and the second day is narrow, if it is and within these lines, like if it is inside this, it is called an inside CPR. Okay, inside previous day is very wide and the next day CPR is close within the top and bottom of previous days. It's called inside CPR. This has a power of same as narrow CPR. That means this day would be a trending day like this. It will be price will be moving away from the CPR. Okay, and there will be days like this. Previous day will be a narrow CPR and current day will be wide CPR like this. This is called an outside CPR because the previous day CPR, current day CPR, it is outside the previous day's TC and previous day's BC line. Okay, this is called wide outside CPR. These days market will be sideways. Okay, on these outside CPR days, market will be sideways, zigzag manner. Okay, and one more day will be there where both the CPRs will be overlapping to each other. Suppose like this, and the next day CPR will be like this. Okay, half of the CPR is inside the other one, so it's called overlapping CPR. So it also makes some volatile trading session. It will be there. It won't be trending day. It won't be that much range bound. A little volatile. It will goes here and then comes back, like this kind of typical day it forms. Okay, so these are different types of trading days we can identify. It gives an edge for day traders, especially if you have a CPR indicator, because CPR indicator plots before the market opens. It is stagnant on your chart. It won't move when price moves. It's just a horizontal line. Complete day it will be same. Okay, that's a big advantage of CPR. Okay, let's go back to our charts and see how CPR looks and what is its significance, how it behaved in the past. That and all we will discuss in charts. Okay, so this is today's chart. Today I am recording this on 21st February. Today's chart. I told you, right, wide CPR. This is a wide CPR. It is almost 200 points width. So it is a wide CPR. When wide CPR days, the price will be moving volatile sideways, and the price will be trading near the CPR. See, it is close to CPR. It is inside the CPR for a very long time. Okay, these kind of days you should be careful. If you are option buyer, you should be careful to enter. Okay, if you are option seller, means you can take the positions on both the sides. You can hedge your positions and take your trades. You can buy C and B, and you can hold your position, because it will be a tight range market like this. And if you are option buyer, be ready to enter at the ranges, at the outermost extremes. Okay, so I have explained you in one of the video called how to make money in trading with 9 to 6 job. There is one video in my YouTube channel where I have explained one strategy called a range market. Opening range. So opening range means first 1 hour the range. If first 1 hour is wider, then look for opportunities near the boundaries. Okay. So on these wide CPR days, you should look for opportunities on the extremes. Extreme first 1 hour extremes you should look actually. Okay. So that's how you can trade if you are option buyer. Seller means you can hedge your positions and hold your. You can sell both C and B, and you can hold your position. Okay. So that is one thing. And look at this. This is a narrow CPR, and price was there for some time here, and then it was pushed away from the CPR. This is a trending day. Okay. Narrow CPR, trending day, wide CPR, or sideways day. So this is how you can just back test it if you want linear charts. It will be, you can witness that. See, this is average CPR. I told you, right, average CPR and narrow CPR works similar. So on average CPR day also, the price was moved very far from the CPR levels. Okay, and an average CPR attracted the candles. Okay, and a wide CPR day, the price was completely within that CPR level, near to CPR level. See, wide CPR will not hold the price to move away from these levels. So it will hold it. It will not throw away from the CPR. That's a wide CPR power. So wide CPR option sellers can make good money. Okay, on trending days option buyers can make good money. On these days option sellers can make good money. So that the see, you can backtest all this CPR on your chart. See, very narrow CPR, how trending day it was, and then it was trending day till afternoon, and then it was making some range. So obviously you will get an edge actually by having a CPR on your chart. Okay, that's the power of CPR. And there are other lot of CPR tricks and strategies which I have identified, which I'm not revealing it in this YouTube. So soon I'll be launching a course with the day trading strategies, high probability day trading strategies, which I have included few of CPR tricks in that. So soon I'll be launching it. I'll be announcing in YouTube and in Twitter and Facebook. So please join that course if you want to learn more on these CPR strategies. Okay. So please subscribe my channel if you have not yet done. So I'll be posting more educational videos on different strategies and tricks using CPR, using price action, using pivot points in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay. So hope you like this video. So we'll meet in another video. Thank you. Bye.